So I just upgraded my Baby 5 with the DJI O3 unit. And can it replace the Insta360 Go 3? Well, I love the colors already. This is shot on DJI lock with the default DJI LED. So let's see how this footage compares to the Insta. What do you mean? Insta360 Go 3 did not record the video. I have made 2 flights and the second one just did not record on the Insta. And this is a very common thing. I have lost so many videos that did not record or were corrupted by the Insta360. So I went to a different place the next day to repeat the test. I definitely like the shot on the left more, probably because it is wider. And we want a wide lens for FPV for that action look. It is the same flight, but the right side looks like a grandpa driving next to an action scene from a movie on the left. And DJI can shoot in higher 4K resolution. It can do 120 FPS slow motion too. Yeah, Insta360 Go 3, you have been replaced by the DJI O3 unit. And I will be able to fly bigger batteries now, with all weight savings from the second camera removed. A perfect balance, and I put new Emax props. Wow, this drone rips now. 130 kilometers per hour according to the GPS. Whoops, I guess I got a little bit too comfortable with the DJI O3. The video is so clear with it, but a low contrast area can still get you by surprise like this. Not a scratch though, and outward spinning props really do the job. So yeah, we have a clear winner, DJI O3. It definitely can replace the Insta360 Go 3 for an FPV, there is no doubt about that. And I will be shooting some motocross races this month, so we will be able to test slow motion too. And I guess I will be training some more before the races. So subscribe if you haven't already to see more of the DJI O3 footage.